Alright guys, we're going to have to do a ride along and a review with this car one day. Not today, unfortunately, I gotta go home. But this Evo is sick and we're gonna check it out, we're gonna ride in it. Josh is always awesome and hangs out with me with these awesome cars. And so we'll have some fun one day and we'll bring you along. Alright guys, welcome to this episode of Wide Open Throttle. I'm working on that darn thing and freezing my buns off. But I did work on the old S2000. There's the old CRV, all-wheel drive turbo build. More pieces are coming in the mail. I got more pieces purchased today for the S2000, so we got stuff there. So soon it will be on the ground, running and driving, and almost road legal, with a little bit of rear quarter panel damage. But we are getting there. I got center console pieces coming in. I got the new seats, nice minty black seats. I got that glove box that was broke, it's coming in. I got headlights coming in. I got sway bar end links, the boot for the lower ball joint over there that was ripped, both front and back, left side. What do they call them? Wheel speed sensors. New S2000 seats. I'm making my sister do all the work and put it into the car and get them installed. So these things are really good. Minimal rippage. Nice bolsters, not ripped. New seats. Alright, seats are in but not installed. But the black look is looking good. Thanks to my sister for bringing me my new seats that I scored on. Alright guys, outside, getting ready to hit the sunset. Looking pretty over the land. Working on the S2k today. Worked on this taillight area so I can get a taillight to fit. And I used that pushy thing, the hydraulic ram pumpy thing, and it actually has worked really well. I'll flip you around and show you. It is windy, so hopefully you can hear me, and we'll see what's going on. Alright guys, there's the spot. You can see some of the small creases right there. But overall, this one lines up, this lines up. They all kind of line up. The problem right now is this. It hits just right here on the lip. But we're so close, and it lines up on this edge, on the outside edge, and that tab even almost lines up where it needs to be for the mounting spots. But as you look on the body there, the body is down a little from the trunk. It kind of matches up top, but right here on the end, so it drops off. There's like a kind of a dent underneath that. So we're getting close with that, getting it to line up. The whole new skin, welding it into place, should fix that issue. And I did bend out a lot of this stuff. This tab needs to be bent out right here, and that needs to be bent out right there. I need to kind of straighten this up for the mount on the other side of the bumper, since I took the bumper off. So it is almost close. You just tell it's pushed down a little bit, and you get an idea of how those spaces are supposed to be a little more flat than they are. But that's okay. But that tool is working good. It's done some good work on it, and it was pretty easy, and it kind of went back into its own place for sure. So that is good. So windy, but look at that sunset over there. See if this can do it. There you go, sunset over there. Alright guys, thanks for tuning into this episode of Wide Open Throttle. Hopefully you can hear me and we keep going. Any of you work on heavy machinery? Well, it sucks. And those hoses, you're looking at a $500 hose setup for this side right here. And there's no room to get in there See that hose? There's a hose. I've been working on that hose. Been working on that hose for 6 hours because it's behind that stupid arm right here, and it's ridiculous. And I finally got it in. So hopefully I can get the rest of them on and bolts in before the sun goes down. And I can get the loader loaded again. So I can move more dirt. Move more dirt. And build the house. I'm in selfie mode with the headlamp. So I'm blinding you, YouTube.
What's up, YouTube?
That is the famous Jared Harlan. Check him out. Jared Harlan YouTube channel. Famous country singer. Remember that one time I made that last clip and it was like 3 or 4 hours ago? Yeah, I'm still out here with the loader. Stupid loader.
What's up?
And we're figuring it out.
We're getting her done.
Maybe. It's starting to get cold.
We're almost there.
Jared's the professional. If it wasn't for him, I don't even know what I'd be doing right now.
Well, hey. The problem is, I am not a mechanic.
You're mechanically mechanical.
I just know how to crank a wrench. That's it.
They're all loosened.
Oh yeah.
Dude, it like gets all crazy. Wrench after wrench.
Take a look in there.
The worst.
It's so tight in there you can't even see.
Yee! That's what we're dealing with. Jared over there in my spotlight. He's doing all the work. I'm only 3 hours in with another person, not including my other 3 hours earlier. And then the other day, I was here for a few hours and had to redo it all again because I can't get to work. But this loader is almost done. It's only almost 10 o'clock at night. And it's only almost starting to freeze. So, hopefully we got it done. We can fill it up with some hydraulic fluid.
We're almost there.
So close!